Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to show you how to save any picture as a PDF on your Android phone. This can be useful if you have a picture scan of a document on your phone that needs to be converted into a PDF. To do this, open Google Photos and select the picture. Now tap on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. Next, scroll to the left and tap on Print. Now tap on the down arrow that's on the top right corner of the screen, then select Save as PDF. Tap on the PDF icon, choose a name for it, and then tap Save. All done. I now have a copy of the picture saved as a PDF file in my Downloads folder. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.